welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Yeda. For those of you that are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that bell link. That way you won't miss out on no new videos, and also that way you can join the Glam squad. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a decorate with me / mini kitchen tour. I don't have this kitchen 100% complete, but I finally got my bar stools, so I need to put those together and also touch up a few little things around the kitchen. So again, by the title, this is going to be a decorate with me video. So if you want to see how I decorate this kitchen, go ahead and keep going. Alright guys, so the first thing I got these from Ikea, and I don't know if you can see it for real. They're called, I want to say Ramsta. It's a glare. Okay, but basically what I got these lights for is to go up underneath here. So I got these to go under there to give it a little shine. Okay, give it some flavor. So both of the bar stools are now complete. Who said a woman couldn't do a man's job? Okay. Alright, so now here is a view of my kitchen area with my bar stools. Alright guys, so this here is a container that I got from Ikea. I want to say it was maybe like $3.99, $4.99 maybe, but I got these for like pastas to sit out on the counter. I love how it has this frosted glass look and then the regular glass underneath. I'm gonna put some pasta in there. so this, we're gonna start here. These here, like I showed you before, was the canisters, and I got these from Ikea. This here is my little spoon holder. I got this from, I want to say Big Lots. This cabinet here is like my junk food cabinet. Well, not even junk food, because these is like healthy snacks. So I got my microwave, oven. Oh, this here, so I got this from Target. So it's the little utensil holders, and I got these from Carson's actually before they went out of sale. So like this cabinet here, I basically just hold like seasonings, rice and things like that, canned goods. I want to get a shelf so I can put my seasonings on, so I got to get that still. These cabinets here, this is basically just my cups. On this side is the glasses, little wine glasses. This here is where like my plates and bowls. I absolutely love these. So cute, right? I eat with chopsticks every now and then, so I thought it was so cute how the chopsticks came with it. And then the dishwasher, but then there's just like cleaning supplies. Here is my forks, spoons, all that good stuff. Just like little foil and baggies. That's still empty. Up under there, just like my little oils and syrup, all the good stuff. Okay, so on the island, I got cabinets here. Down here is just like my chips and bags. This is my little like handy drawer with all my tools and stuff. Down here is like pots and pans, and then these is like my little mail drawer, little whatever, and like little junk stuff, so don't worry about that. And then my fridge, of course, and some cabinets up there that I just can't reach, so there's nothing up there. Alright guys, so this wraps up today's video. Hopefully you all enjoyed my decorate with me / mini kitchen tour. Of course, once I get everything fully complete, I'll bring you all a updated kitchen tour. I still have to get something for this island because this little candle and this little empty vase is not really doing it for me. So yes, I will be getting something for that. I still want to get like a cookie jar to display the little cookies, you know, little Khloe Kardashian inspired cookie jar. So I still have to get that and a few more items, some drawer organizers. So yeah, I might come to you all with like a kitchen organized with me video. If that's something you want to see, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. That way you can join the Glam squad, be up to date on all of the new DIY projects, as well as tips and tricks on how to transform your space on a budget. Yeah, so subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.